Hello everyone, welcome to online session Standard 8 Computer Subject Lab Activity. Starting a Microsoft Access 2007, click on the Start button, All Program, Microsoft Office and select Microsoft Office Access 2007. Select the blank database option in the starting page of MS Access. Specify the file name in the file name text box and click on Create button. To change the field name, click on Datasheet tab, select the field and columns group and click on the Rename option. Press the tab key to go to the next field. After typing all the field name, move the cursor up and down, left and right. Use the up, down, left and right arrow key from the keyboard. One by one, enter all the records in a table. Record navigation toolbar appear at the bottom of a data sheet. Enter all records in a table. To save a table, click on the Save button from Quick Access toolbar and write the file name Employment Record. Navigation pane display the file name. Select the full table. To change the font style and font size, click on the Home tab and select the font group. To change the column width, click on the column heading and drag the pointer left or right side. To change the text color of your table, click on the Home tab and select the Font Group option. To change the table color, click on the Home tab and select the Font Group and click on the Fill Color option. To change the grid lines, click on the Home tab and select the Font Group and select Grid Line both option. If you want to change the alignment of the text, click on the Home tab and select the Font Group and select Center Align for the particular field. To change the record in ascending or descending order, select the table and click on the Home tab and select Sort and Filter Group. In that, select the A to Z option to get the ascending order. To change the row height of your table, click on the Home tab and select the Records group and click on More option to select the row height and type the particular number that you want your row height. After completing all the works, create a report. Click on Create tab and select the report groups and click on Report option. Report table is display the screen in a preview way. If you want to change the logo, click on the Format tab and Controls group and select Logo. After selecting the logo option, select the picture folder and click on particular picture and click on OK button. To change the text color and font size, click on the Format tab and select the font group and select Text color. Change the page layout in Portrait and Landscape. Click on the Page Setup tab and select the Page Layout group. To change the text color and font size of your heading, so click on the Format tab and select the font group and select text color. Again click on the Home tab View Groups and select the Print Preview option to see the print preview screen. In Print Preview tab, select the Zoom Group option to see the result in a big or small size of your page. Close the Print Preview button. Click on Save button from the Quick Access toolbar to save your table. Click on Format tab and select the green line group to give your table outline. To close the access, click on Close button.